everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well in your lives. I am doing super duper good too. So in today's video I have a special unboxing. My channel is basically related to makeup, beauty, but sometimes I also do these lifestyle sort of video, and this video is going to be something which is useful to everyone. So now without any further ado, let's get started. I have received this immunity box from this brand Upakarma, and this is immunity in a box, and it has so many good items. So basically they have sent me 5 products. This box contains 5 products which is helpful to build your immunity. I have talked about all the products in detail, and I really feel that immunity is something which has to be built, especially in the times of coronavirus and any other type of virus also, because it helps you and your children or anyone who is very old to gain that immunity and to stay fitter. I really recommend this particular box if you want to gift it to someone or you want to buy it for yourself. Very economical also. I am going to put all the links in the bottom bar, so please do and go and check the bottom bar as well. And one thing I have seen, that I have been consuming all these ingredients, all these products since a week now, and I can see that I feel really energized. My stress levels are a little bit declined, and I feel very enthusiastic also. So yeah, let's get started and see what all products are there in the box. So guys, this is how the box looks like. It looks super duper heavy, and it is actually very heavy. I really like the premium quality of this particular box. Now let's see what all products I have got in this particular box. Now when you open the box, you have got these 5 products, and yeah, we will see what all is there. So I really like the packaging. It is so convenient. It looks super duper cute, and it looks so premium. So if you're gifting it to somebody, it will look awesome and gorgeous. Very first thing which I have is the Upakarma Chawanprash. It boosts immunity and strength. It has 30+ pure Ayurvedic herbs, and yeah, it claims to strengthen the immune system. It improves vitality and vigor, cleanses digestive system, antioxidant properties. So Chawanprash is very necessary if you want to build up your immunity or your child's immunity. So you can try this one. I really like the taste of this. It does not taste very funky, but it is really nice in tasting. Now the next thing is this Upakarma Ayurveda Ashwagandha. This is in the form of capsules, and we all know that ashwagandha is so important to boost our immunity. So we can see that it has 90 veg capsules, and all these products are 100% veg. And yeah, this is how it looks like from outside. It claims to relieve stress and anxiety, boosts immunity, improves strength and stamina, also helps in strengthening muscles. So yes, and here you can see everything else regarding this particular product. Now let us open. So as you can see, these are in the form of capsules, so you can very easily have it one a day. So yeah, this is the neck. Open it and see how it looks from inside. How it looks like from inside. It has 90 tablets. Now let's open this and see how it looks in actually. Now the next thing in this particular box is the Amla drop. Now we all know that Amla is so important for immunity, and it has so many health benefits. And if you get this in the form of drops, what better than this? So this is a 30 ml packaging, Amla drops. So this is how it looks like. It says that it can boost your immunity, and these are 100% veg products. It helps in fighting immunodeficiency, helps reducing hyperacidity. So if you're someone like me who suffers from acidity, you should consume Amla first thing in the morning. It rejuvenates the eyes, it maintains healthy skin and hair, and it has antioxidant properties. So when you open this, you get something like this. You can mix this thing in water and have it the first thing in the morning. Yes, you won't feel anything because it does not taste like it does not taste very sour if you mix it with water, so it is perfect for your immunity. Now for the next thing, we are having this ginger drops, and I love using this one in my kadha when I prepare it in the morning and in the evening time as well. So it is natural and pure, and again it says that it enhances immunity, it helps in weight loss, as we all know that ginger is so important in health loss, and it helps protecting against cold and flu, protect against nausea, and antibacterial properties it has. Now I mix it in my kadha whenever I am having it. It does not taste very funky. Like, again, you can also have it in warm water, but I like to have it in the kadha. So this is how it looks like from inside. Everything else is written on the packaging. Really like it, very convenient. You just have to put the drops directly in your glass or whatever you are preparing. Last thing is this one. This is Giloy Tulsi juice, 100% natural and pure, and this has to be my favorite out of all. It strengthens immune system. It is a blood purifier, again natural, no sugar, 100% premium quality, and this is how it looks. Now we all know that Giloy and Tulsi juice is very important for our immunity. It strengthens immune system, it alleviates any viral infection, protects against cold and cough, reduces stress, anxiety, promotes skin health. Now this is 100% organic, and it is a certified ISO 9001 company. So you don't have to worry about the authenticity of this particular company. And this is how it looks like. Now let's see how it looks from inside. Huge bottle, if you can see. It also comes with this type of measuring cup, and I have consumed a little bit. Again, I'm saying it does not taste anything. I also like to mix this in my kadhas. I have done that. You can also have it you can also have 10 ml of it regularly, or you can mix it in water. Like, I just like to mixing it in my kadhas, and it is super good for our health. Guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Any other detail, I have put it in the description box. Don't forget to check it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.